Hey guys, if you're already feeling that you have lost the race of CAT preparation and CAT examination, then this video is for you. And today I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything or just fake motivate you that you can do it also on. I'm just gonna be real with you guys because I have been there too in my past few days. Right now, every corner of the social media, Instagram, YouTube, and each and every corner of the social media is talking about the 99 percentile. And probably you are wondering, is it even too late for you guys to continue the preparation? Or if you are not even too late, or do you still belong to the race? That's the thing you are thinking, right? You are seeing people solving the LIDI questions, which seems like an alien language to you, but they are solving very simple, and you are still stuck with the basic of time, distance, and everything. And you know what happens after that? You freeze. You take stress on yourself, you feel overwhelmed, and you then procrastinate and scroll and procrastinate and scroll, and you fall in a cycle of scrolling and taking stress and just procrastinating things, which is not good for your mental health or your CAT preparation. But let me say this clearly, if someone is ahead of you today, that doesn't mean that you can't outrun them till November. As of today, I'm recording this video on 13th June and I will be posting it today. You have got around 170 days for CAT preparation, and 170 days is more than enough. That's nearly 6 months, 25 weeks, a complete cycle of sunrise and sunset. And this 170 days can be life-changing days for you. If you keep your focus sharp and have a tunnel vision, this 170 days will change your life and turn around your life. Do you think the topper you are looking up to was born with solving the DI puzzles, or he was doing the arithmetics when he was born? No, right? He just started earlier than you. So why can't you do it? But now, as you know, that practice make everything better, and you have the edge now that you know if you practice, you will be getting better every day. And these 170 days is enough to change your thinking pattern, mindset, or I should say, it's enough to make you a better person for a CAT preparation and your mindset, and it can also change your neuroplasticity. Here's the truth people won't tell you about it. So the thing is, most of the aspirants won't even make it to the CAT examination. Why? Aren't they smart enough? No, that's not the reason. The reason is that they're not consistent enough. They're not trying to put till the last moment. They just give up before, and they're not real with their preparation. They're just chasing books, hacks, and tricks, and so on. They're not being real with their preparation. So, with this, we have 170 days. So, just focus on being real with your preparation, on being consistent with your preparation, and that's how a 70s can fill up the gap to the 99 percentile. You just have to be real, one day at a time, one concept at a time, and one thing at a time. Just focus on your preparation, nothing else. Be consistent, have faith, pray to God, and you will be succeeding to the CAT. You don't have to follow the herd, you just need to follow yourself. Follow yourself. Just focus on yourself. Do what you think is best for you. Become your best version. So now you will ask what to do right now. Okay. I would say start. Start small, but start. Take one thing. Don't analyze too much right now. If you analyze too much, you will feel overwhelmed. Okay. Start very, very small. Just now start it. Okay. When you start something, there's always a friction. So if you start right now, the friction will become less, and slowly it will become like automation, and it will start without even thinking. You will start studying without even thinking. You don't need to focus and pressurize yourself to study. All you have to do is start small and start now. One concept, one question at a time, and then repeat this day after day for 170 days, and let me know what was the result. Let me know what was the result. Look, you're not late, you're not behind, you're just getting started right now. Log out of other people's journey. Don't watch them again and again. Just log into your journey. Stop feeling left out. Just show up for yourself, and that is it. And when CAT 2025 results comes out, I want you to look at this day back, that this was the day when you stopped feeling left out and started showing up for yourself. You got this, champ. I will be right here cheering up for you guys for each and every step. Okay, I wish you get the 99 plus percentile, and let me know if you need any help. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Stay sharp, focused on your IM preparation. Love you all.